See.
Polo chebo chale te oba mini eba neba bibo.
No. Te eba.
Te eba bibo. No, te is not correct.
No, I just told you. You gonna tell me? I speak God, man.
No.
I know.
Polo chebo. Polo chebo chale. Te eba neba bibo.
Tay, I said Tay. See, and now I say Tay, and then she say, no, Tay is not correct.
Tay.
I told her it was Tay. I speak this. You don't even know what you're doing. I'm gonna go back over there and talk to that girl over there and speak tweet.
No.
Okay, go ahead, baby. Te
oba.
Te oba, I know.
Te oba. Te. Steve.
Yes.
Te means how.
Te means
what
how.
means mini.
Yes. That's right.
So if a stranger ke umanfo cheboy.
Yeah, ke umanfo cheboy. Ke umanfo cheboy chale. Te.
Ke umanfo cheboy chale.
Te.
Mini. Eba neba bibo.
Mani do babubu at the cheboy. Man, just take that boo-boo test. Your cousin Reggie. Your cousin Reggie.
He doesn't know what he's saying. Oh my God.
Yeah, Cabu is it. If a stranger calls you Charlie, what are they about to ask you?
Steve, they're about to ask me for some directions.
Yes. They're about to ask you for some directions. Number 5. Cité.
It's many.
All right, okay, I'm just trying to help you out, baby. You know, you're young, you don't know everything. Number 4. Qu'est-ce que tu Qu'est-ce
Enyatra.
3. Ask for money. No, please.